What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you the top 3 best Google cameras of 2021 that you should use for your Android device. So guys, watch the video till end. If you are new on this channel, so please do a subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. First of all guys, I will tell you why I only choose these 3 Google cameras. Because guys, I am using Google cameras from past 3 years and I have tried many Google cameras, and in 2021 I also tried many Google cameras, but in some Google cameras I faced many problems like editor process is taking, and in some Google cameras I find a color problem, and in some Google cameras I find crash problem. That's why I only choose these 3 Google cameras. And also guys, these Google cameras will work in almost in all Snapdragon devices. Now guys, the Salman will explain you these 3 Google cameras.
So guys, the first Gcam I have chosen for you guys is the Nixtia Gcam, which is based on the Google Camera 8. So guys, why I have put this Gcam on the first priority is that this Gcam is based on the latest Gcam 8, and this Gcam comes with a lot of features as well. So guys, if we open this Gcam, let me show you the about of the Gcam. So as you guys can see, this Gcam is based on the Gcam 8.1.1 and the version is 1.3. so this Gcam remains up to date for every month, so you get updated for every month. There is least chances of bugs in this Gcam. So what you can do with this Gcam is that you can capture the better pictures, and you can also capture the 4K videos as well. And if you have the knowledge of changing the settings of the Gcam and creating the XML, then you can create the most XML. So guys, if we talk about the picture quality also, so this Gcam give you the better picture quality, and you can also capture the enhanced and sharp pictures as well. And also guys, you can just apply the many XMLs available for the many devices. This is the best thing for the Gcam, that you can also download the configurations for many devices. So guys, I am using the Redmi Note 8 device here, so there are also the configurations available for the particular device also. And so guys, at the end of the video I will show you how you can download this Gcam, and also how you can download the particular configurations for particular devices. So guys, for normal users, if you don't have any knowledge of capturing the pictures or just applying the XMLs, etc., you can just put this Gcam on the default settings. What you have to do for this Gcam is just turn on this feature HDR plus, and you can just capture the sharp and better images as well. So guys, if we talk about the second Gcam which I have put on the second priority for you guys is the Hypercam Rise, and let me show you. Here is the Hypercam, and this camera is based on the Google Camera 6, and it is the old one. Nowadays the latest Google Camera version is 8, but the Hypercam camera is based on the Google Camera 6, which is old, but the old is guys gold. So this camera is very nice, and it has much more customizations, and for a particular device there are much more XMLs available. With this camera you can also capture the 4K recording as well, and you can also capture the sharp and better pictures as well. So guys, if we talk about the particular feature of this Google camera, this Google camera has the better selfie quality as compared, if we compare to this Google camera to other Gcams. So guys, why I am using this old Gcam is because the selfie quality is very nice and very bright. If you take the selfie with the Gcam and compare to the latest Gcam, it will beat the latest Gcam as well, because the picture quality and the picture light is very good with this Gcam. So guys, also for many devices there wide angle is also working, and the main lens is also working for many devices. So guys, the third Gcam which I have put on the third priority for you guys is the TR camera, which also remains up to date in every month. So guys, if we talk about this Gcam is based on the latest Gcam 8, and it is just like your stock camera. So you can also enable the Pro mode in this Gcam. You can also adjust the ISO in this Gcam. You can also adjust the shutter speed as well. So guys, you can do much more customizations in this Gcam also. The best part of this Gcam is that you can also capture the astrophotography with this Gcam, and you can also capture the light painting photography. So guys, you can also get a different configurations. You can also use XML within the Gcam. You can also use the astrophotography XML, which has already been made for you guys, and you can use the different XML for different devices also. So guys, the normal user can only put this Gcam on the normal settings, and he can capture a better and best photos also. Now I will show you how you can download any Gcam for your specific device, and also how you can just download the configurations for your device also. So guys, follow me in this video. What you have to do, you have to first open your Chrome, then you have to type here this, and then you will find a site here, Google Camera Port Hub. Then you have to open the site. Here you will find all the stable and all the latest Gcams. Here are the popular Gcams. As you guys can see, Arnova, here are Tiger Gcam, and here are much more Gcams available. So what you have to do, you have to just open a one Gcam for your specific device. So here you can just click the Gcam and download the Gcam. Here is also the option of configuration. You can just tap on this configuration option, and then you will find a configuration, or we can say XML, for your specific device. Here are the list of devices which you can pick here. So guys, this was all about the Gcams and how you can just download the Gcam and how you can find a specific Gcam for your specific device. So guys, we are posting the pictures every day which I am capturing with Gcams. You can check my Instagram ID or our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Hope guys you like this video. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Goodbye.